Happy birthday, Max. A very happy birthday to you. Enjoy your birthday. Do something very special. It's a beautiful time of year to be having a birthday. So may your birthday bring you joy and happiness. And may this new year bring you good health, wealth, and all the prosperity that you deserve. Enjoy your day, Max. God bless you and give you strength and grant you his peace. All right, live it up, live it up, live it up. Love you much.
Well, well, well. Another year, another set of blessing. Happy birthday, my friend. Say God carry you around the sun for another 365. I wish you all the best and maximum respect, Max, on this your birthday. All the best, and may God bless you always. Happy birthday from Jackie.
Well, Sister Max, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and I'm sure it's because it's your birthday. Look at that. So, happy birthday, my friend. I never yell talk like that. Happy birthday, my friend. One more year upon them. Happy birthday, Max. Enjoy your day, man. Lovely, lovely, lovely lady you are. Really appreciate you being in the circle. Good to be in your circle. Blessings to you, blessings and more blessings, and enjoy your day. Cheers.
May say happy birthday to the most fabulous, positive, vibesy, what else? Talented, gorgeous, funny, Maxine Lyons, aka Max Poet. It's just a awesome feeling, and I don't use that word lightly, to have met you, to get to know you. You know the song, Getting to Know You. Yes, Mrs. I have grown to just appreciate and love you, Maxie. And today you celebrate your birthday. I don't even know what number to call it. So I'm just gonna say, go on, enjoy the birthday today. We love you, the crew from Satideh Mawnin Runnings. We there for you, girl. Enjoy the day. And you know, say, we will celebrate at some point, all of it together. Can you imagine that, the big old drama and get together? But we love you, Max. Enjoy your day. Mwah. From yours truly, Lady D, Denise Gomez Green. Me love